In today's video, we're utilizing a camera hack to turn your normal boring footage into beautiful looking dreamlike footage. So stay tuned. Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and yes, in today's video, we're gonna do this really cool camera hack where you can capture some really beautiful dreamlike footage. Now, this hack that I'm talking about is a technique called lens whacking, and this is basically the process of detaching the lens from the camera, moving it away slightly, and just moving this around so you capture some light leaks into the sensor. This is a really cool effect, and you can achieve some really incredible results from this if it's done correctly. So let me just show you how to do this in detail. Firstly, you need a camera. So once you have your camera, you just want to go ahead and detach the lens. So you want to hold down the safety release button, make sure you've got your lens supported, and you just want to twist this off. Now with the camera rolling, you just want to slowly detach the lens, and you just want to leave a tiny gap in between the camera and the lens, and you want to put this at a slight angle. So you don't want this straight on, you want this at a very slight angle. If it's all the way over here, your sensor is going to be too overexposed and it's just not going to work. So leave a very tiny gap between the camera and the lens. Now, once you've done this, you want to first remove the lens cap. That would help. And then once we've got rid of that lens cap, we just need to pull the lens away, start rolling, and then we can just start adjusting the focus ever so slightly, just until this is in focus. And now from here, we can just slowly move the lens away, bring it back to the sensor, and just keep doing this effect over and over again until you've captured your footage. Now, the problem with doing this is you are going to be very shaky, especially if you're on a prime lens like this. So try your very best to keep your hands still, because if you're shaking around on a 50mm lens or higher, then you're going to end up with a lot of camera shake. And this is just not going to look very good. It's going to look very shaky, your audience is going to get dizzy, and it's just not going to look good at all. So to do this effect, you basically just need to keep a tiny distance between your camera and your lens, keep your hands still, and if you want this to look extra dreamlike, then I would recommend shooting in a higher frame rate of 60 frames per second or above. This will enable you to slow down your footage, and this again is just going to help to add to that dreamlike quality of the footage. This would look really cool in a music video or a dream sequence or a film, but don't limit yourself to just those two options. Be really creative and let your mind create something really beautiful with this effect. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, then please do let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, push that bell icon, and I will see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching.